going to kill her. Bring it on. Magic powers. Use my skill. Become a witch for the kill. I'm going to kill her. Hello, my darling. I'm a witch. Who are you looking for? I'm looking for a shapeshifter. Have you seen her? I have not been seeing her. But I will tell you I saw a shapeshifter if you just hold my palm. But I love him. You are so stupid. Why would you ever do that? Why do you want to break the curse now? The old witch. She seems so nice. She told me where to catch the shapeshifter we're looking for. I don't know about it. Can you trust her? I mean, she could add. Don't trust her. I love her. You can't trust her, man. I love her. It's not part of the